Hi, I'm Chris, your guide at Get Set Up. I often hear people tell me how they can't draw, that they're not an artist. I tell them to think about how children draw so freely and without worrying that their drawing looks perfect. Somehow we get into a rut and think we have to make our drawings look perfect and exactly like the real thing. Often the kids that finish their pictures have wonderful works of art, and we look at them and really appreciate them. So, even think about the famous artists who paint and draw with abstract shapes and colors. It doesn't have to be perfect and realistic. Art is a creative expression that can be different things to different people. But I understand you may want your bird to at least resemble a bird. Well, in this class, Basic Drawing, Nature Inspired, I'll help you learn some tricks to use simple shapes to draw birds, animals, and other things that are found in nature. Bring along your pencil and paper and join me to bring out the childlike artist in you to more freely express your creativity.